What is this? We were driving through the Cairngorms when something on the hillside made us stop. At first we weren't quite sure what we were looking at, with these strange structures just standing there in the landscape. They're called the Watchers. A modern art installation designed to make you pause and take in the incredible view around you. Each one is shaped slightly differently, almost like figures quietly observing the valley below. Just beside them, we found something else. A stone carved with openings that frame the landscape. Look through them and suddenly your view changes. It's not somewhere you'd normally plan to stop, but it turned out to be one of the most unexpected moments of our Scotland trip. And sometimes those unexpected stops become the places you remember the most.